the law! Change the law! Change the law! We want justice! We want justice! Want justice! We justice! Change the law! Change the law! Change the law! 5 people in a line. Very, very slow. Just with a single step. Stop the crime! Stop the crime! Stop the crime! Make harsh penalties! Yes, sir! Penalties! Make harsh penalties! Make harsh penalties! Stop!
I would like to make it clear, we are not against any government or any political party, or neither we are here to criticize anyone. What we want is the justice. No more killings, no more robberies, harsh punishment for the criminals, no more softness.
Coming for short notice, you know what happened for our young man killed behind the counter.
By hands. This was given exactly 5 years ago to the government. And this is a manifesto of 8 points what needed to be done to stop the crime. And the second document, as you see, this was given after 5 years now, similar points, 8-point document. Again, this clarifies what needed to be done. So what I'm telling you is after 5 years, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. You know, we need to feel safer. We do not want statements. We do not want words. What we want is the action, and we want urgent solutions.
My name is Houi and I am the chairperson of Human Rights Association Dukkan, Shirkit, New Zealand. I belong to Pakistan Parachinar Pashtun tribes. We have seen many difficulties in our life, but we have always solved the difficulties with human-friendly method. I condemn in the strongest terms the killing and thefts that have been going on in New Zealand for the past few months. And I request the current government of New Zealand to put an end to the crime within the framework of human rights. Thanks.
There needs to be change. I want to acknowledge Janak Patel. It shouldn't take a tragedy to get change, but now there is change. The change must happen. And what does that mean? Right from the top, we need to have leadership that says there are rights for people who follow the law and consequences for people who don't. $6 million on pre-sentencing reports so convicted criminals can plead for a shorter sentence, but only $5 million on victim support. They've got it back to front. And then we say if you shoplift you get instant practical penalties. Don't wait 6 months till they go to the youth court. Have them out with the police officer cleaning graffiti and apologising that weekend.
Not your New Zealand, not my New Zealand. Not Melissa's New Zealand, our New Zealand. Our New Zealand should be the safest place in the world. Janak's story is an absolute tragedy because he had just got married. He was just starting his life. He was defending a cash register because he wanted to make sure that business could do the best that it could. I had 14 years in the police. I've had 30 years doing counter-terrorism, community safety, policing and lawmaking. I've never seen the amount of lawlessness that I currently see in our country. I asked Christopher Luxon when he took over as leader, please give me the police portfolio. Gangs are cowards. They prey on the innocent, they intimidate, and they peddle misery. We're going to go after them. We're going to give the police...
That till now we haven't seen much of support for the family of Janak Patel. My demand from this government is we should have similar kind of support as we got the people in Christchurch. They got a lot of support from this government, but for Janak Patel, so far there has been very little.
But it's the anger that is there in our community is really palpable.